Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on the iPhone, open Settings and enable cellular data, then tap Personal Hotspot and toggle it on. Make sure the hotspot name and password are visible. You'll need them for the laptop. Once done, check battery level and consider plugging in the phone to avoid dropouts. Meanwhile, on the laptop, turn Wi-Fi on and get ready to scan networks. This prepares the devices so the actual connection step is quick and trouble-free. On your laptop, select the iPhone's SSID from the Wi-Fi list and click Connect. Type the hotspot password shown on the phone. You're doing this because Wi-Fi authenticates devices and creates a secure link that shares mobile data. After you connect, confirm the laptop shows internet access by opening any website. If the laptop doesn't see the SSID, make sure Personal Hotspot is set to allow others and that the phone isn't sleeping. Next, try toggling Wi-Fi on both devices. Once connected, confirm data is flowing by loading a web page or streaming a short clip. This verifies DNS and routing are working. If performance lags, switch tethering to Bluetooth or USB. USB gives a more stable, faster link because it bypasses Wi-Fi interference. Make sure to monitor mobile data usage to avoid caps. If you hit trouble, restart both devices and re-enable Personal Hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.